Sunny time right now. It is 4:13 on this Tuesday morning. There was some frost, a little bit of frost on the car this morning. It's hardly that much.
Yeah, I think maybe you'll be able to see it. Staying on Skywatch Live downtown Syracuse is okay. I don't know if you can see it here. Can you see the glistening? It's tough to see on the deck here table, but you know, it's cold enough with clear skies. I was concerned maybe some fog would form, but instead frost is. So that is good for some, though. It's cold, teens and lower 20s, but we're going to actually have our brightest day of the week today.
Okay, and it seems like a lot of snow has melted. Like when I got out of the car in the parking lot here, it seems like a lot of it's melting.
Well, that's because yesterday we got into the upper 30s, and actually today we should be in the 40s.
Oh.
Now, it's a very tricky forecast for tonight into tomorrow because as precipitation comes in, not only the temperature we have to watch here at the ground, but also in the clouds, makes all the difference on what kind of precipitation comes our way. I'm actually going to be adding other graphics during the course of the next 3 hours on our Futurecast, but for now, on the triple Doppler, we don't have anything except for the temperatures. Oh yeah, don't forget, we have a full moon right now, and it's super bright in the western skies. 21 in North Syracuse right now, although it's in the mid and upper 20s in downtown. We can show you that blizzard raging down to the south. Wow. I mean, we're talking major snow in through Oklahoma and Kansas. When you say blizzard, it means winds of over 35 miles an hour, and they've been seeing that too. This is going to track northeast like this. So what will happen is when you're on this side of the system, you usually get at least temperatures above 32 in the clouds. Now, our computer models have been going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth on how much of that slightly milder air comes in aloft. So instead of just biting on one computer model, I'm at least going to forecast kind of a blend of all the models. And this is what I'm coming up with, all right? Today it's sunny this morning, bright sun this morning. We'll likely get the sun to first fade to some thin clouds midday and then to some thicker clouds late in the afternoon. It's a pretty nice day today, 40 to 45, and by far certainly the sunniest day of the week. Now watch behind me. You're going to notice the pink, that's the mix. The green is mainly rain, and then the blue is snow. Did you notice that we've basically had the spumoni here? You ever have spumoni? You know, that Italian ice cream that has all the different colors? Well, we're likely to see all sorts of precipitation types tonight. I think snow, sleet, freezing rain, and rain are all possible within our area. Now, just talking tonight, just tonight's precipitation type, we're likely to see most of the snow and sleet and freezing rain to be in this area, meaning the best chance of it to accumulate will probably be in south central and east central and north central New York. Now, I think there'll probably be a mix of rain and snow as well for tomorrow. The best chance to get an accumulation, and I'm working on an accumulation map too for you folks, when you include everything tonight and tomorrow, the best chance of accumulations are going to be over higher elevations, eastern parts of our viewing area into eastern New York, and northern parts of our viewing area. Places like Syracuse and lower elevations might be a little bit icy and slippery tomorrow morning due to near freezing temperatures, but during the daytime, even snow may have a tough time accumulating. Again, more details through today in central New York. Those of you that are in south central hilltops, east central areas, and north central areas have the worst chance, or the highest chance, to get the worst weather, the iciest and the snowiest weather coming up tonight and tomorrow. More details ahead. Back inside.